I can't believe at 20 years old, I own a baler. A round one. Like, Jesus Christ, it's a round one. Hey, I bought it cheap. Bloody holidays lights are bright, even though they're coming through the baler. Gotta love it, gotta love it. If you don't love what you're doing the wrong thing. Oh my God. I love farm equipment. Look at that sight. Like, damn. Love it. Love it. Fuck, I love this tractor. Too bad she's not the biggest anymore. But she'll always be my baby. These lights are incredible, like. Fuck me, like. Damn! Toys can be toys with big equipment. Men can be boys. I love this tractor.